Have a look at this shot this evening. Beautiful colors there as the sun has just set on our Luther Family Ford Skycam. Clear sky up there, a few thin clouds, and that's going to be the rule of order for the night, which is just a few passing clouds for our evening. But look at that, lots of snowfall and a lot of shoveled piles there in the parking lot of Luther Family Ford lot there. So seeing that, a lot of plowed piles, those are big frozen chunks. So again, be careful if you are trying to clear your property or your driveway or your sidewalk, as it is still a heavy snow now that we're going on 2 days or so after this system has cleared our neck of the woods. But we'll see what we're looking at, of course, right now on that satellite and radar. We'll see. Let me step over here and push the space bar on this. My clicker is not cooperating this morning or this afternoon. Let's see. There we go. There's the temperature. So you can see we're in the 20s for pretty much everybody. So any puddles we have may probably have frozen over again. So again, the icy conditions under any of that snow that we've got. The warmer air is off toward the west, 29 in Jamestown, 29 also in Devil's Lake. And with a southwesterly wind, that air is actually moving toward us, which is great news for any of those melting snow piles that we hopefully get to see this week. So just a little bit of blue showing up on the map there in our southern and eastern neighborhoods. Not seeing many surface observations of snow actually falling from these clouds, so maybe a few light flurries here, mainly down towards Sisseton, up just south of Fergus Falls, and off toward just north of St. Cloud. So high pressure and a clear sky moving into the Devil's Lake Basin. So that's moving in with that warmer air that we're seeing. So look at those wind speeds out of the southwest for most of us at, say, 10 to 20 miles per hour for most. So a bit of a wind chill, but the good news is that warmer air is moving in with those southwesterly winds. And the hour-by-hour shows things stay clear and quiet for the rest of the night. A few passing clouds perhaps later on, but temperatures warming even a little bit to those lower 30s in our western neighborhoods, still holding on to those 20s out toward our Minnesota counties. But look at this, by 4:20 a.m., temperatures hold steady in the 20s for us to start the day on Tuesday. So not much of a cool down tomorrow morning, but then we will see temperatures rising to be warmer than they were today as we head toward the afternoon hours, and plenty of sun. There's just a few passing clouds. That west wind, though, is a bit busy, especially in our western neighborhoods, but not expecting too many problems really in the weather department, which was good news for cleaning up after the last weekend's wintry storm. And still by 5 o'clock, just a few passing clouds, but no precipitation is in the forecast for our Monday or even for our Monday or Tuesday as we head toward the second day of the work week. So your hourly forecast here in Fargo, expecting high temperatures in those lower 30s, so right above that freezing point. So may still see a little bit of melting, especially with some sunshine and temperatures right above that freezing point. But that west wind will be what we can thank for a bit warmer temperatures moving in, and then temperatures look to hold steady as we go through tomorrow evening as well. Your hometown forecast, we're seeing 20s in the cooler Minnesota neighborhoods where that warm air hasn't quite gotten to yet by 4 p.m. tomorrow, but lower 30s, maybe even middle 30s in our southwestern neighborhoods by the time everything is said and done. Have the sunglasses handy also, because with that fresh snow, it's going to be bright out there. Look at this beautiful shot of a frosty morning from Lake Breckenridge. Lindsay, thanks so much. A beautiful, beautiful shot of the sun rising there with the kind of frosty plants in the foreground. Fantastic shot. You can always upload your photos to our website. That's valleynewslive.com. So a very quiet 7-day planner is ahead. So a little bit cooler temperatures, though, toward the end of the week, especially with single-digit lows Friday morning. But for Saturday, the big Bison game, I know people are going to be out tailgating. Things look great for tailgaters. Temperatures in the 20s and 30s for tailgate time there Saturday afternoon.
All right. Thanks, Nathan.
You bet.